What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Saucy. I'm back with another video, man. I got the shirt to match the wallet. Hey, but nah, in today's video, I'm gonna be asking people, what's something that turns y'all off? Like I did yesterday, something that turns y'all on, but this weird, I'm gonna just do what turns y'all off. I'm video every day, man. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Like, comment, sub. I'm gonna put on my Instagram. I'm gonna put my number on there. I'm gonna have people text me. So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the question on there too, so they won't be caught off guard. I'm looking in the mirror right now to make sure my hat good for y'all, but honestly, I don't give a fuck as long as I'm dropping content, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna put my number on there. I'm telling them the question, tell them to text me if they want to be in the video, then I'm gonna FaceTime them. That's the little twist I'm gonna have in the video. So I'm gonna have some monkeys, some FaceTimes. Let's just hope people will FaceTime me. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Like, comment, sub. I think I already said that already. I'm about to go put this on my Instagram and film. So stay tuned. Let's get lit. I got a question.
Yeah.
So what's something that turns y'all off?
Turn you off?
Yeah.
Shit, I don't know. Like for a nigga?
Yeah. Like something that turns y'all off.
Cheating.
Cheating. What about the other person?
No business. Bro, she 9 years old.
FBI, open up!
I'm not 9 years old.
Yeah, I have a question. What's something that turns you off? Okay, yes, I definitely cannot hear you. Like, oof. Okay, yeah, what's something that turns you off? Bad hygiene? Okay, thank you. Y'all?
What's good?
Not much chilling. So look, I got a question. Okay, what's something that turns you off?
Niggas with stank breath and that just do the most. Ew. Like, that shit, niggas that they ain't better than everybody and oh, you like that? No, boy, just act normal around me. Don't be wrong.
You're sitting and shopping at.
I don't know.
Thank you. I don't even need to say nothing. What's something that turns you off?
Off?
Yeah, off.
What do you think about that something? Pretty teeth.
Teeth?
Like mess with teeth.
Okay. Thank you.
Off?
Yeah, like what's something that turns y'all off?
I just want to be up.
Huh?
I have an idea.
What about the other person?
Not why this is turn your light off.
I don't know if I can't hear, but she definitely just said turn the light off. Oh my God! I got a question. I'm being nice. What's something that turns you off?
Everything.
Can't do the dash with the 3 dot chasing. He in the woods with all me on face. Can't see me and nothing on me on face. Say she say shit. Shawty got 11 BK shit. Say he a shooter, hoe and kicking shit. Oh, that's your girl. She on.
Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. It was a pretty good, decent video, you know. But I'm about like a fat kid in dodgeball. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Stay tuned to the next one.